Hello, my beautiful geese. I just wanted to give you guys like an update on where I've been, how or why I've been gone so long, and just like how I'm doing. So I was on vacation. I was in Maine. That was fun. I've been procrastinating. I've been in a weird like mental spot. I've been figuring out my identity. I recently came out as asexual. Yeah, I'm just like figuring myself out as a person, working on the Epic project, which you should totally, well, I'm stuttering, which you should totally check out if you haven't seen the video. Yeah, like, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know I haven't been posting. I'll try my best to post more often now, but, I've just been in kind of a rough patch, so, yeah, it's just a little quick update. Yeah, bye-bye!